Good morning, this is Lisa with Custom Creations by Lisa J. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own apple cider vinegar facial toner. First, you need the apple cider. Right now I'm using the raw and unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar. And then you'll need your essential oil. I always use lavender. And then of course, this is for a 2-ounce bottle of toner. So you'll need a bottle, a spray bottle, which I prefer, or you could just use a jar. And then you just need water. So first, and I use a funnel because it's just a lot easier. So first, apple cider vinegar, you need 1 tablespoon. So this is a tablespoon. So you just pour it in. And then you need 3 tablespoons of water. I have already actually measured the 3 tablespoons. So I'm just going to pour this in here. And then you just need 5 drops of lavender. You can also use chamomile too. So just do 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you just put the cover on. And you shake it. And this you can use at room temperature. I always store mine in my bathroom medicine cabinet so that it's always handy when I do it. So you just use this after you cleanse your face. So if you've never used this kind of stuff before, I would recommend you use a patch test, which just basically means that before you put it on your face or neck, you test it on an area of your skin for an allergic reaction. And if you do have one, then see medical attention and then don't use it again. Thank you and have a good day.